What is going on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies2000s.com, and in this video, I want to show you guys me doing a survey live. Okay, I'm going to do this survey live. You see here in the very beginning, I've only gotten 3% complete. The first question that asked me was, do I agree to be honest in this survey? I said yes. So now I'm at the second question, which asked me if I'm male or female. So, like I said, I'm going to show you me doing a survey, just how I answer questions, how fast I go, just kind of give you guys motivation and, how I do things and how you can do the same thing. So I just want to show you the survey. At the end, I'm not going to talk through it. It's going to, just show you what I'm doing. But at the end, I'm going to show you the site that I'm on. But really, it doesn't matter what site you're on. The way I take surveys is the same on every site. So I'm going to get into this survey, show you guys me doing it live, and just see how easy it is for you to complete a survey. So let's go. All right, so you see here, I just finished the survey. Obviously, I completed it. Now it's just about me getting credited. But you notice when I was doing the survey, I was going through it fast, reading the questions fast, answering the questions, being mindful of trick questions. Just make sure you answer those trick questions accurately. That way you won't get disqualified for the survey. And you just really just pay attention to the survey. So you'll see here on this site, Branded Surveys, I have a 391 approved points. That is $3.91. So now when I refresh the page, you'll see when my balance goes up. Let me see, let me refresh real quick. So you see here now I have $4.38. So basically that survey was 47 cents. So I mean, just for the purpose of this video, just showing you how to do a survey. But there are other things you can do, on this site in particular, on Branded Surveys. They'll always have surveys. They do pay disqualification points. So if you go through a survey and you actually don't qualify for the survey, you will get, anywhere between 1 to 5 points. It just, random points they give out when it comes to that. But, like I said, the way I did this survey routine, you can really do it in any site survey. On this site, they do have a daily poll. Every day you can get 5 cents just for answering daily poll. You see, I've already done it today. But there's a lot of things you can do on this site in particular. But like I said, when it comes to surveys on this site or any site, just make sure that you're going through it fast as possible, but not too fast at the point where you just can't read the questions. Being mindful of trick questions, just staying focused on the survey. And a lot of times I tell you, like when you're doing the survey, to have videos running in the background. And that way, when you're focused on the survey, you're still making money, passive income, in the background. So you're kind of doubling your money. But when it comes to qualifying for surveys, one of the things you want to be always, kind of keep in your mind is that if they ever ask you, have you ever done this or have you ever done that, always say yes, because a survey might be about that. If they ask you, have you ever worked in any of these places, always say no, because sometimes it'll be like a research program or, something like that. If you work in those places, they don't want to qualify you for the survey because they feel like, you've probably already been asked about it or, this just isn't for you. So it's little questions that you will just be mindful of, but the main thing is just to, be as fast as possible, answer the questions accurately, be mindful of trick questions, and just continue to, go along with the survey. When they ask you questions, have you ever done this? Have you ever done that? Say yes. Have you ever seen this? Have you ever seen that? Say yes. Things like that, because once you're saying no to a lot in the survey, you're more likely to be disqualified. So I just want to show you guys that it is possible to, do surveys not only fast, but to qualify for them. So just be doing a live demonstration. Like I said, I made 47 cents for that survey. So I mean, it wasn't a lot. It was just for video purposes, because I always tell you guys, like, when you're doing a survey, just to be mindful of how much time it takes to how much they're paying you. You don't want to do a survey to take you 50 minutes and they're giving you 30 cents. That's not worth your time. But just make sure whatever survey that you decide to take is worth your time. So just wanted to show you guys that. Like I said, this site in particular is called Branded Surveys. The link to it will be in the description. Sign up. It's completely free. There's disqualification points for, surveys you don't qualify for, because like I said, you won't qualify for every survey, but just showing you the routine that I use, you'll, complete more surveys than not. So just wanted to show you guys that. If you're interested in making even more money, please visit my website, pennies2thousands.com. That way you can see all the websites and apps that I use in order to make money. And if you want to be like me and make $150 every single day, I can teach that to you. All you got to do is book a session. The link to book a session will be in the description. Or you can go to my website, pennies2thousands.com, click on the Book a Sessions tab, and I can show you how to make $150 every single day. It is very, very easy. Anybody can do this. You'll be surprised at how much money you can actually make when you just, follow the steps that I'm going to show you. There are a lot of hidden tricks, a lot of hidden gems that are online that I'm going to give to you to show you how to bring in $150 every single day, which is basically $4,500 a month already added to the income that you already have. So like I said, book a session. Link to it is in the description. Sign up with this site. The link to it is also in the description. And always remember, every penny counts.